Hello guys, my name is Owen. My YouTube channel is Sergi Bros. And so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to do some scientific notation review. So if you didn't know, let's just explain what scientific notation is. So we can draw it out. So let's have the number 400. Now don't put the comma. Don't put the comma. Because there's no decimal in this number. So there'd basically be a decimal right here. So basically what we can do is we can measure how many skips it has to take to get here, where the comma would go. And so what we can draw that out. So 1, 2, 3. So it takes 3 jumps to get from here to here. That we do, basically put equals, and then so 2.4. So basically, since there's no other number that's not 0 except for 2 and 4, it'd be 2.2.4 times 10 to 1, 2, 3, so 10 to the third. Which, if you want to check, 10 times 3 is 1,000, and then add the 2 and the 4, that'd be 2.4 thousand. So basically, scientific notation is a way to take very big numbers. You can do it for small, but it's not common, or small numbers, and you can basically take them from a massive state. Like, we could do this, but it has like 24 instead of the 3. That'd mean there'd be 24 skips to get from the end to the basically beginning, the one before the beginning. Which, that's why this was made, because I mean, who would want to write out 24 zeros and then make, or 23 technically, and then make all of them, everything connect up? So yeah, that's what the scientific notation is. And it can be done with, and so you might be wondering, how did they get 10? Well, that's just how the scientific notation is. This will never not be a 10. That 10 will stay no matter what problem. We can even do bigger numbers, like, so basically the speed of light goes approximately it's approximately 300 million meters per second. So what we can do is we know, or we probably know, that 10 times 8 is 80. But we probably know that 10 times 8 is 80. But that's not what we need, because remember, this would not be 30. This would be 1,000. Because it's basically the same as 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 8 would be about 100 million. So what we can, and then it's 300 million. So the scientific notation for 300 million would be 3 x 10 to the 8. Now, this is actually times, because 3 times 300 million is 300 billion. Actually, that's wrong. 300 million is divided, or the same as 3 times 100 million, or in our case, the scientific notation, 3x 10 to the 8th. Okay? So, now that we know what the scientific notation is, you can think, how far do you think we can do this for? Well, we can go on as long as we want. Then again, warning, you have to calculate the number of moves the decimal needs to get to the right place. So that probably means you're gonna have to draw it out. Not like, yeah, because this honestly isn't like a way to write numbers for the first time. Because actually, you have to, then again, in 300 billion, there's 8 zeros. And using math, you can just draw it out zeros. Right here is it where it needs to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It takes the number of zeros to get there. So this is really good if you know how many zeros there are. And yeah. Okay. So now let's look at another number. Let's do 6, 2, 1, 0. How would we write 6210 in scientific notation? Well, 1, 2, 3. It'd take 3 to get there. And what it would be? Would it be 6.2121 times 10 to 10 to the third? That would be how we would write that in scientific notation. Okay? Okay. So that's how you do it with more than one number. And it gets kind of difficult when there's like zeros into it, because it was like, we're not going to really do this, but we're just going to look at this example problem. 600,702,0000. That's a really big number, right? But the thing is, the last number isn't till there. So actually, we'd have to write 6.00702, and then we'd do the times 10. Okay? So yeah, guys, this one's been a short video, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.